The journey from Vadodara to the Statue of Unity covers about 90 kilometers and offers a pleasant drive through scenic countryside and small tribal villages of Gujarat. As the road approaches Kevadia, the landscape becomes greener with views of hills and the Narmada region. Once you reach the venue, you have to park your vehicle and then take a bus service to reach the statue and other attractions. The Narmada River is one of the most sacred and important rivers in India, flowing westward through Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat before entering the Arabian Sea. Near the Statue of Unity, the river creates a serene and picturesque setting surrounded by hills. Visitors can enjoy beautiful river views and peaceful surroundings while exploring the monument area. The Valley of Flowers is a beautifully landscaped garden located near the Statue of Unity complex. The Sardar Sarovar Dam is one of India's largest dams built on the Narmada River. It plays a crucial role in providing irrigation, drinking water, and hydroelectric power to several states in western India. Located close to the Statue of Unity, the dam offers impressive views of the reservoir and surrounding hills, making it an important attraction for tourists. The Statue of Unity and its surrounding attractions make every visit an unforgettable experience.